Alright, real quick like. Today I ripped off that nasty ass exhaust. We put an M4 on. Now this motherfucker is super loud. Let's quickly go over what I did here. So you got to remove the servo. The servo's in the back seat. All right. You have two cables that are attached to the servo that follow all the way down inside here, inside the fairings, and then they go down and they follow into here and go straight into the exhaust system that comes stock with the bike. All right. So, anyways, after you get the servo out, let's make this really quick. After you get the servo out, there's really only a couple of things you need to do. You take off the stock exhaust, you take off the, I guess it's like a pre-muffler. It's kind of like a muffler box before the actual exhaust they have. So you take that off, you take the servo off, which is routes down here. And then after that, really all it is, you have to take these two off, put their bracket on, put these two back in, but you're using theirs and their screws. And then there's only like one bolt here, so like literally it's 3 bolts, and the rest you're just taking shit off, so it's super easy. Anyways, let's get it idle real quick. My face is going off the fucking motor right now. Anyways, so real quick, like, that's basically all there is. You got take servo out, pull off stock exhaust, pull off stock fucking muffler box, then all you do is 3 bolts and done. That's it. So, anyways, this is how it sounds idle, and then we'll give a little bit of